Good morning from Lower Kezar. Been lugging clay onto site. Thought we were going to be ready for it quite a bit sooner than we are to line the bottom here. But at first I had a sinkhole over here in this corner, closest to us, right here. We got to load some flowable fill from our local concrete supplier. As you can see, the flowable fill went down in and filled that huge void that was down in that corner. Didn't need a form, it just went right into place. And then we bring in a little bit of finished gravel. We're going to compact it all into place. We got a nice plate compactor on site. But my problem lies over here in this corner. As you can see, the water only comes up to this level, so I guess from there down is sealed up, or there's not that much leakage. But as you can see, we got a huge void in the split stone. Now I'm thinking the best way to fix this is to come back to this corner here with a form and run the form board out that direction, get all the loose dirt and everything off of this split stone that they're using as a foundation here. Build us a little form. So I got a couple guys that are going to show up this morning. I'm going to get them pressure washing. So this is our cavity that one of the sinkholes, after I dug away, basically I followed a vein of some really black debris, soda bottles, wood, that led me to this hole. So we got a little bit more excavation that's got to happen in order to go this way. Looks like we're going to have to get a sump pump going in order to pump this little trickle of water that we got away from us, so then we can get the form board to drop down the bottom. Last night I didn't have this much water in the hole, so it was another piece of split stone between these down there. So I'm thinking for now we're going to build a form that comes up to the bottom of this, probably come up right around 4 feet, come out 24 inches. That'll give us a real nice base to continue our wall upwards, and just in case all of this dilapidated infrastructure. So didn't really want to get into all of this, but no better time than the present. This is literally money lost that goes out through that hole, and it could implode our whole wall at some point. You can see the crack runs directly all the way up through, so obviously something is settling towards this point. So we're gonna get going on pressure washing and cleaning off this face, the rest of this material that's in the way. Get some form boards down here, and then we got to figure out how we're going to get the concrete truck to this side of the project. Not really feeling safe about bringing it out across the berm. Might have to rent a pump truck in order to pump the form full. Hopefully not. That adds up in a hurry. I'm thinking we'll taper our form out right here where this rock is. And then that'll be our base footer to finish. Also been looking at the racks. They're in very rough shape. Had one section that fell out up high last winter when we were raking ice and pushing ice around that went to the bottom. As you can see, it's just trying to fall apart sitting here. One of these steel bars would definitely take out our turbine. So I'm going to try and gump it up for now. Hopefully get us past until we can rebuild the rest of this structure. But major concern right now is my sinkhole on this side and getting it cleaned up and ready for a form board. We have performed our inspection on our turbine blades, wiki gates. No spectacular news. Look at this one. This one's all kicked off to the side. You know, maybe something big came down the river and hit it. I doubt that was us with a rake. But I might be that big and strong. I don't know. So, lower Kezar, form boards, flowable fill, compaction, and a big monstrous pile of clay up on the hill. So it's Saturday morning. We're going to make it happen today. Hopefully we'll go ahead and march ahead just the same.